Okay, for your homework help today, I'm going to do D and F and just help you with those two, and then I'll do one on the back page. So first let's look at D. So let's find out how many parts are in the one whole candy bar. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we know that we're going to be talking about 6 today, okay? So we could say that 1 is equal to 6 over 6. That's the whole part. So let's break it up and write our addition sentence. Okay, in this first section, I have 1, 2, 3. 3 what? 3, 6. Remember, 6 is like our unit. Plus, how many are colored in? 2. 2, 6. Okay, so we're going to add that together. Remember, our unit is 6, so we have to keep that number the same, 6. And then we have 3 plus 2 is 5. Now I'm going to stop and I'm just going to put this into a number bond to show you. Okay, we have 5, 6, and we can divide that up into our number bonds. 3, 6, and 2, 6 equal 5, 6. Okay, so let's take a look at F. In F, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're talking about fifths here, not 6, because there's only 5 parts in the whole one right there. So if we add all of that up, we have this first section, which is 5 fifths, plus we have one more, which would be 1 fifth. Okay, the answer to that would be 6 over 5. Remember what we call this? We call this an improper fraction. We can also write this as 1 whole, which would be 5 fifths, and 1 fifth left over. This would be a mixed number. Okay, go ahead and do your number bond here, 5 fifths and 1 fifth to do your number bond. Okay, the directions on the back say to draw and label tape diagrams to match each number sentence. Okay, and there's a few ways you can do this, but think about your candy bar. You're going to have a candy bar and you're going to divide it up. So let's take this problem. I'm going to stop and draw my tape diagram, and I'm going to label the whole diagram. Okay, I made a candy bar and I divided into 10 parts because we're talking about tenths. And I have 10 tens that equal 1. So I could write 1 as 1, or I could write it as 10 tenths. And then I'm going to put 5 tenths, 5 tenths, and 1 tenth. And I might have to put some extra tenths over here, but we'll have to see. Okay, I have 5 tenths, and then over here in the blue, I have another 5 tenths, but I'm going to have to go over here and I'm going to have to do one more tenth. Okay, plus 1 tenth is going to be equal to 11 tenths. And so here I have my 11th one, 11 tenths. Okay, so see if you can do that on the rest of the problems in part 2. Okay, here's your fraction joke. Do you know who created fractions? See if you can come up with your answer before class tomorrow. Bye.